There's a quick wrap up of my finds the other day. Got a nickel. Got all this clad, found most of it under one pecan tree. I got a John Deere and a hot rod. And I found these little things. They're all different thicknesses, so I'm guessing they're weights for something. My coolest finds. This gold pocket watch. My wheat penny. And my silver dime. And there's all my trash. Now the difference is this is clad. What we use now, modern dime clad versus silver. Now I believe 1964 was the last year they used silver. Clad. Silver. Clad. Silver. Maggie. Foster.